welcome to my vlog. My name is Sophia Faye. So today's vlog, I'm gonna clean the house cause I wanna help my family. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell button. First, I'm gonna fold all the clothes. This is all the clothes. So next, I'm gonna clean the bed. Okay, next, magwawalis na ako. Hello guys, I'm finished. Thank you for watching my first video.